Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most unique motorcycles in Royal Enfield's lineup, the Royal Enfield Shotgun. If you're into factory customs with street-ready attitude and a thumping 650 cubic centimeters engine, this one's for you. Let's ride into it. Overview. The Shotgun is based on Royal Enfield's proven 650 cubic centimeters parallel twin platform, the same one found in the Interceptor and Continental GT. But this is no retro cruiser. The Shotgun is a factory custom. It blends bobber-inspired styling, aggressive ergonomics, and a stance that just screams rebellion. It's the kind of bike that feels custom-built, right out of the showroom. Design and features. Let's talk design. The Shotgun 650 features a minimalist rear section, floating seat, wide handlebars, and a stubby exhaust that gives it a mean street presence. It rides on 18-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels, wrapped in fat tires that complement its muscular silhouette. The tank is sculpted, the paint finishes are premium, and yes, that LED headlight adds a modern punch. Performance. Under the tank, it's powered by the same 648 cubic centimeters air oil-cooled twin producing around 47 horsepower and 52 Newton-meters of torque. That might not sound wild on paper, but the delivery is smooth, torquey, and perfect for city cruising and weekend blasts. The 6-speed gearbox is slick, and Royal Enfield has tuned the Shotgun suspension setup for more urban agility compared to its siblings. Riding experience. On the road, the Shotgun feels planted and purposeful. The seating position is slightly aggressive but still comfortable enough for daily rides. The exhaust note is throaty and satisfying without being too loud. Whether you're carving through traffic or parking it at a cafe, this bike turns heads, and that's before you even twist the throttle. Verdict. So, who's the Shotgun for? If you want something with classic Enfield charm but a more modern, custom-ready attitude, this is your ride. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. Royal Enfield nailed the balance between style, power, and everyday usability. That's it for today's look at the Royal Enfield Shotgun. What do you think? Is this the factory custom you've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world bike reviews. Catch you on the next ride.